Okay, we're gonna change the oil for a 2007 Nissan Sentra 2.0. So we're gonna use my Rhino ramps. Okay, so these ones are really good ramps. You can see these Rhino ramps, and they are really good ramps. Like, I got them with me for about 8 years now. 8 years now, yeah. So really good ramps, and I use it almost every day. So as you can see, they look like brand new. Really, I use it every day. All right. So I'm gonna put it up. There you go. Brake. Oh, now open the hood. And we're gonna start doing the oil change. The oil filter is right there, so it's really easy to remove it. And okay guys, so as you can see here, I got a oil leak for my valve cover gasket, so I need to replace my valve cover gasket as soon as possible. But for now, we're gonna remove the oil here, the oil drain, the drain plug. And this one is a number 14. Where's number 13? Let's see. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's 14 millimeters. Okay, 14 millimeters. You can see here. There you go. Make more. 14. There you go. Let's see how much oil do I have here. I hope I got it plenty. Okay, so we're gonna let it drain for about 10 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I think that's good. That's good enough. Put back the drain plug. So in the next video, I want to show you how to replace the valve cover gasket on those Nissan Sentras from 2007 to 2012. All right. So now we're gonna remove the filter. Okay, so put this one in place right there. I wanna use this tool here to remove the filter. Okay, here's the old one. Gonna clean around. Let me show you. I need to clean. Okay, so remember to lubricate the O-ring with a clean oil. So now hand tight the filter. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, that's why I say I need to replace the valve cover gasket. You see all the oil from there, and you can see it better here. I don't know. Let me see. So the valve cover is leaking a lot of oil. So next time I want to show you how to do it. Okay, guys. So it's pretty much. Usually in this cars is 4.5 quarts of oil, and I think that's it for today, guys. All right, thank you. And remember, last thing, remember to check your oil level with this dipstick, and should be on the second hole. Okay, in the second hole, should be in that level. All right, thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.